So, Arsenal 2, Leon nil. We are smoking the Emirates Cup pack. Campione, campione, ole, ole, ole. First trophy of the season. Super duper Mick has done it again. Edu's telling us, be patient, wait till the end. Zinchenko is reborn in this new team that we have going forward for this season. That we see our new superstar defender come on the pitch. The crowd, there was wet floor signs everywhere. Yeah, they were literally gushing. It was a slip hazard, a trip hazard, flooding, tsunamis, the whole kit and caboodle at the end. As soon as Calafiori came on with his long locks of hair, just bouncing on the pitch. Get out of here, man. Anyway, listen, all jokes aside, smash the likes up. We are smoking the Emirates Cup pack because we did win the Emirates Cup. It's always nice to win a trophy, guys. Always nice to win a trophy. However, Set Piece FC is back again. And Set Piece FC need to start scoring from open play, really, don't they? Let's be real with it. They need to start scoring some goals from open play because whilst it's great that we scored from 2 set pieces, we do actually genuinely need to start burying our chances when we go clean through. Martinelli had a chance. And again, I've said this before. Jez said it on his fan cam as well. Martinelli's lost a yard of pace. All them injuries he's had have caught up with him. That guy has not got that blistering pace to get away from anyone anymore. And it's kind of worrying, if I'm honest, because he's a good player, Martinelli. However, he needs to put his head up more, pause. And his pace was one of his best attributes. Now he's not really got that blistering pace anymore. Now you have to be better on the ball. Is he going to get better this season? I worry for him this season. I can't lie. As for 29, 29 doing 29 things, missing yet another half-decent chance. That's what he does, guys, which is why we need a striker. We need a striker. However, it was a poor Leon team. We actually did play pretty well, I can't lie. Thomas Partey looked great. Saliba was outstanding. What's going on? The mutants have got me, guys. They've got me. But no, we know what we're going to get with our defense, and our defense is extremely good. Extremely good. Hence why it was the best in the league last season. The defense is not really the massive issue here. For me, the issue is, and it's still an issue, even in this pre-season, I've seen it be an issue, is we need to score more goals. And I know we put 4 past Leverkusen. I know we've got clean sheet and scored 2 today. Let's be real. Yeah, Leverkusen were in their 2nd or 3rd game of pre-season, so they're way behind us in terms of their fitness levels. And not only that, Leon is shit. Let's just be real with it. They're crap. They're not very good. And Maitland-Niles and Matic, and do you know what I'm saying? What are we doing here? Yeah, so we can't really use it as a barometer. It's more of a fitness test rather than a, wow, we're ready. We're scary. Arsenal are going to win the league. Wow. Wow. Arsenal are going to win the league. Scary, scintillating, dangerous Arsenal. We're going to see these twats clickbait their titles all season. And at the end of it, we're going to win nothing again unless we go and do what's required before the end of this window. And what we need to do is go and get a striker, go and get somebody to help Saka out. He was poor today, by the way. But you're not allowed to say that. It's racially motivated, guys. Star boy is racially motivated if you say that he didn't play well. But again, it is only his 2nd pre-season game, so we'll give him a pass. However, we start the season next weekend. He better play better than that. He better play better than that. Declan Rice today, I thought, done pretty well as well. Yeah, just a standard Declan Rice performance. Just get the ball, give it some about. Yeah, driving forward a few times. He was decent, but I ain't seen anything in this pre-season to make me think that we're going to go and win the league. I genuinely ain't. I've not seen anything to suggest that. I've not seen anything that's any different to what we did last season. We look half decent, well, very good defensively, and we look half decent going forward. It's the same as last season. Yeah, defense wasn't the issue for us last season. We had the best defense in the league. Going forward, we scored 5 goals less than City, and they had Erling Haaland out for 3 months. They had De Bruyne out for 4 months. And they still scored 96 goals. So when people are sitting there going, we've bridged the gap. We've bridged the gap because Julian Alvarez has left. Nah, sorry, not for me. Yeah, not for me. Because guess what? They had De Bruyne out until January. Then they had him out again, by the way, after that. Then they had Erling Haaland out, and they still bagged 96 goals. So take Alvarez out and keep Haaland fit. They're making them goals up anyway. Yeah, we've not done anything this summer to suggest that we're going to overtake them. Yeah, and it's worrying because this is going to be another season for me unless we sort it out by the end of this window, which is what, 20 days away. Unless we go and rectify our attacking options, we ain't winning nothing. Yeah, sorry to break the bubble, burst the bubble. I know Henry Talks Arsenal is gaslighting you all. I know the Arsenal Terrace is gaslighting you all. However, yeah, I'd rather listen to an Arsenal fan talk about Arsenal than a Spursy or a fucking Man U fan. Yeah, gaslighting people into believing Arsenal are the best team on the planet. Arsenal don't win anything. They haven't won anything for 4 years. Yeah, we've got a good team, but it ain't good enough. So go and rectify that. Today, yeah, we played well. Well done. Fantastic. Well done. And people are coming into the comment section and go, oh, you're so negative. We won the game. Shut up. Because when we lost to Liverpool, you were saying it was only a friendly. So which one is it? Is it only a friendly, or are we scintillating, scary, dangerous, and unstoppable champions? Yeah, you can't have it both ways. Yeah, we played all right today. Fantastic. Well done. We won the game. We slapped up Leverkusen. Great performance. But at the same time, we ain't going to win the league. We're not going to win the Champions League. And this manager is immune to taking the cup seriously. So unless we go out there in the next 20 days, go and buy a midfielder, which I do think we'll get. I think we'll get Marino. But I think, again, I was having this conversation with John yesterday. Bless up, John. Yeah, I had a conversation with him yesterday. I think we're skin. I actually think we're skin. We're not skin, but we're skin, if that makes sense. And I'll tell you where my reasoning is. We've spent about 650, 700 million quid since this manager's been here. Look at the dross that we've still got in this squad. Eddie Nketiah, Reece Nelson, Fabio Vieira. Them three alone are taking nearly 400 grand a week. Ramsdale, 120. Kieran Tierney, 110. Tommy Asu, never fit. Managers came out and said he's going to be weeks away. Yeah. Like, they're all on 100 grand plus, apart from Vieira. Vieira's on 90 grand. They're all earning top dollar. So when they're all earning top dollar and we're not winning anything, and we're spending that money left, right, and centre, but we're not really getting it all back in exchange because we can't sell a player because Eddie was useless. Yeah, the only player we've sold, in fact, we spent, 13 million net this summer. 40 million Calafiori, 27 we got for Smith Rowe. 13 mil. 13 mil. We're skin. And we're skin because this club has failed to do what it's supposed to do. Ripping up contracts instead of selling players, then watching other clubs get money for the players we rip the contracts up for, by the way. Yeah, Edu should be sacked on the spot. Yeah, Richard Garlick has been promoted off of the back of that Aubameyang deal. Yeah, when he sat on all for nothing, saying, oh, yes, Edu, I agree. We can't get any money for him. Yeah, he's over 30. We're going to have to rip his contract up. How did they get money? How did they get money for him 6 months later then? How did Barcelona get money for him? How? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Off of the back of that, he then goes to Marseille, bags 30 goals, and now I think he's gone. Al Shabab, is it? I think he's gone to Saudi League. But either way, how comes we didn't get money for him? Pepe ripped his deal up. We've ripped up so many deals here, and this is the problem. Yeah, we're in the exact same position now with players' contracts and wages as we was when Edu got the job. And Edu can sit there with his smug little slimy grin. Yeah, don't trust him around your missus, mate. He looks like a proper weirdo. Yeah, real talk. He would definitely be talking to your missus, mate. Yeah, real talk. Slimy guy, bruv. Yeah, but let me say this. We're in the exact same position as we was when he got the job. Players on too much money that we can't get rid of, so we're going to have to rip up the contracts. The proof is in the pudding. We got all these players sat here on big money going, I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. The show goes on. Yeah. Why is Reece Nelson still here? Why can't we get rid of Eddie Nketiah? Why was he on the bench today, by the way? Why was Eddie on the bench? I thought the deal to Marseille was all but done. His agent landed in Marseille and all this crap. So why was he on the bench? What are we doing here? I know he never played, but why was he on the bench? Makes no sense. But we ain't going to sign Marino until we get rid of Eddie because we are skint. this football club is skint because super duper Edu has fucked up our finances. And the quicker people get together with this and realize this, the better. And people will be saying, yeah, but Lee, we don't need to do so much work like some of the other clubs. Yeah, that's great. We need a fucking striker, mate. Yeah, we need a striker. No, but we shared the goals around, Lee. Well, we shared them around and it weren't enough. Now get me a striker and share them around as well. How about that? How about that? Here's what it is. Listen, I've not seen anything any different to what I've seen for the last 2-3 seasons. We're good, but we ain't good enough. And that's it. And that is exactly it. And I'm sorry, until they prove otherwise, I'm always having this thought process. Yeah, we're a good team. We're a very good team, but we're not good enough. And this manager throws the cups in the bin. He better take these cups seriously this season. Yeah, and I'm seeing all these top gooners sitting out here chatting absolute bollocks. Yeah, saying he has to win a trophy this season. Well, he doesn't have to, does he? He doesn't have to, does he? Because the club ain't going to sack him, and you'll fucking suck him off regardless. So he don't have to do anything, does he? He's got the most cushiest job in world football. And this fan base are the reason he's got that job. Yeah. 4 years, 1 trophy. 5 years by Christmas, actually, 1 trophy. Yeah, he better win something this season. So all these people chatting rubbish about he has to win a trophy this season or I want him gone. No, you don't, because you said that last season. Round and around and around and around and around we go. Fucking win stuff, mate. It's the aim of the game. Yeah, it's the aim of the game. Leicester City have won a league title more recently than us. They've won an FA Cup more recently than us. They've won a League Cup more recently than us. Oh, and guess what? They got relegated in between as well. And they can still win stuff more recently than us. It's embarrassing. And it's actually embarrassing. That's no disrespect to Leicester, by the way. However, it is embarrassing. We're one of the biggest clubs in world football. Yeah. Well done, you beat Lyon. You're supposed to fucking beat Lyon. Well done, you beat Leverkusen. You're supposed to beat Leverkusen. What are we doing here? Yeah, come on. Go against Wolves, clap them up. Yeah, and you best beat Aston Villa away, mate. Yeah, I don't want to see no bullshit against Aston Villa. Yeah, Tottenham away is straight after an international break, and then Man City away. Don't be going there for a draw. Don't be going there for a draw. When Arsenal used to go and play Man United, we go to Old Trafford to win, because if we won the league. If they won, Highbury, they'd win the league. So why are we doing this? Oh, let's get a draw. Oh, we're against the big 6 teams. F the big 6 teams, bro. Beat Fulham. Yeah, beat West Ham. Yeah, beat Chelsea. They're not a big 6 club anymore. Chelsea fans rattled. And on that bombshell, people, have a wonderful evening. And make sure you check out the emergency meeting. I'll be going live in about 45 minutes.